I'm Wendy, and I work with the Dr. Young Project, and one of the big pieces that I do with the project is outreach. And my favorite outreach is coming to a fresh market food pantry that we have in our town, and it connects our nonprofit with another really great resource that people have for getting fresh produce. And so we come here to the table and we bring our recipes and we bring our tastings, and shoppers can then try what they could possibly make with the farm produce that they're able to pick up when they shop that day. And so we're actually able to give them the tools that they need so that the produce that they get doesn't go to waste. People are so excited to get fresh vegetables, and we're excited to show them how they can use it. I will do something just as simple as roasting some root vegetables and showing people how easy it is to just take the root vegetables that you're getting and mix them together, roast them, and they find that they're delicious, and then they are a proponent of that vegetable. And when they get to that crate, they are more likely to pick up a beet or a turnip or radishes if they've tried them in a delicious way. And so that's the way the Dr. Young Project has been able to impact people in their choices about being more healthy. I've also found that when we're able to show them right on the spot how easy it is to take the 4 or 5 different items that they get, a lot of times they might only be able to choose one squash, one zucchini, one onion, one pepper. And a lot of times people are hesitant and they think, how can I use one of these to feed my family? One potato, one sweet potato. And so then we're able to show them either using the Meal-O-Matic or just show them a recipe that includes those items. And really, when you're making a stir fry or a soup, a lot of times all you need is 1, 1, 1, and you can make a really good meal that will feed a lot of people. So I think that's an important way that our website and our recipes can help people use a limited amount of resources and make it go a really long way.
I made a lot of Dr. Young recipes when I got home. I don't do salt, so I like the vegetables. I was the youngest of 6 children. Like I said, my father was a chef, my mother helped, my sisters and brothers helped, so I never got a chance to cook in the family house. When I got on my own at 17 years old, I was on my own with my own apartment at 17. Proud of me. I started cooking for my daughter. She was very simple, and all she wanted was hot dogs and macaroni and cheese. So that was very simple for me. And she was a small child, so I had to learn to cook a different food for her. So I started cooking string beans and carrots, try to cook healthier more for her. And now she's a big child now, grown adult now. She got bigger, so that's why I didn't know how to cook. I know how to cook, but I didn't never learn how to cook until I got 17. It was really a struggle. It was a real big struggle. She was a teeny little baby. She was only 5'15", so she was a really teeny baby. Now she eat everything. But my granddaughter that just had the baby, I taught her how to eat everything I ate. She said, "Grandma, did you eat? Did I eat that?" I said, "Yes, you did." "Did you really feed me that?" I said, "Yes, I did." I fed her everything that you wouldn't even think I fed her. Tried everything with her because I said she's not gonna be like her mother. So she's not picky today, and she's a chef. I liked all of them, but I really the salsa you call it.
Yes.
I really like that. I really liked that one. That was really good. I can taste it right now. It was so yum, yum, yum. Yep, it was really yummy. And anyway, she do really good. Very nice recipes that she tries out. Some people take them, somebody don't. I guess some people are afraid to try different things. Like I walk around the table and they say, they don't know the vegetables, And as I walked down, I said, "Well, all you gotta do is do this." And they're like, "It's simple." They're afraid to try different things. Me, I try it. If I do it one time, I still try it. Because you got to have a different taste. It's bland if you just start one thing. You got to have different tries. That's why I come here. I come here and get my vegetables, and it's healthy for us. But a lot of people, they want, other things. But I like my vegetables.